the given problem is solve d to the power of 4 minus 6d cube plus 12d square minus 8d into y is equal to 0. Now it is here d square, d cube, d power 4 is nothing but first derivative, second derivative, third derivative, fourth derivative. So by the observation we can say the order of the derivative is 4. So this problem is belongs to the higher order linear differential equation and the coefficients are constant, right? Now this is in the form of f of d into y is equal to 0. Nothing but it is in operator form where d is called the differential operator. We are denoting with the d by dx. The general solution for this problem is, first, if the given differential equation is in the form of f of d into y is equal to q of x, then the general solution is we are denoting with y of x is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Friends, you see we have the particular integral is equal to 1 by f of d into q of x, but q of x is the right side part of f of d into y. In the problem, q of x is what you have, this f of d into y is equal to 0 means q of x is equal to 0. So whenever q of x is equal to 0, 1 by f of d into 0 is equal to 0. That is particular integral will be 0. Therefore in the general solution we have complementary function only. So we need to find out the complementary function for this problem, right? How to find out the complementary function means, friends, you see, let y is equal to e to the power of mx be a solution of f of d into y is equal to 0. Then we have f of m is equal to 0 is an auxiliary equation. So f of m is equal to 0 means in place of d you write down m, in place of y e power mx. So e power mx is never 0, so you will have only m to the power of 4 minus 6m cube plus 12m square minus 8m is equal to 0, because e power mx is never 0. So you will have only f of m is equal to 0. There is no y term in this case. Now it is a fourth root means it is a polynomial of degree 4. So you will have the 4 roots. But by the observation you can say here you have 8m. So lowest degree term is here m. So m you can take common from this. So if you take an m common, then you will have m cube minus 6m square plus 12m minus 8 is equal to 0. Now we have to find out the roots for this. By using the calculator also you can find out directly. Here you see you have 8 factors are what you have, 1, 2, 4, 8, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 8 we have. But here you observe, add all the quotients here. 1 plus 12 is 13, 6 minus 6 minus 8 is nothing but minus 14. So you can say, is 1 is a root here? No. Plus 1 is not a root, even though minus 1 is also not a root. First we are verifying this one. M cube quotient is 1, m square quotient, m quotient, and the constant we have. Here it is the even term, so better to go for 2. If I have started with 2, then you see here first we have to write 0, then 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 times of 1 is 2, minus 6 plus 2 is nothing but minus 4, this is minus 8, 2 minus 4 times is minus 8, and this is you will have 4, 2 4s are 8, so this is 0. Yes, 2 is a root you can say. Again you verify with 2, this is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 times of 1 is 2, minus 4 plus 2 is nothing but minus 2, 2 times of minus 2 is minus 4, so this is 0. Again you will have 2 is a root, so 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 times of 1 is nothing but 2, so minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So you can say the roots are here 2 comma 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2 comma 2 for this cubic polynomial. What about this one? M is equal to 0. So here you observe the roots are real and repeated. The roots are real and repeated. Friends, whenever the roots are real and repeated, like suppose a comma a is repeated and b is non-repeated, then in this case we have complementary function is equal to, which is implies complementary function. See here the roots are real and repeated case, then the complementary function, how many times it is repeated? 3 times. So you write in polynomial expression up to x square, c1 plus c2x plus c3x square into e to the power of ax plus another term you have. What is the term? 0, which is a b you have, which is not repeated, only one you have. So c4 e to the power of bx. So this is the complementary function for whenever the three roots are one root is repeated thrice and another one is not repeated case. Now in place of a we have a 2, in place of b we have 0. Then the complementary function is equal to c1 plus c2x plus c3x square into e to the power of a means 2x plus c4 into e power 0x. Nothing but e power 0x is what you have 1. Friends, you see what is the general solution we have? General solution is nothing but y of x is equal to, we have only complementary function because particular integral is 0 in this case because right side q of x is 0. So y of x is equal to, again I am writing c1 plus c2x plus c3x square into e to the power of 2x plus c4 into e power 0 means 1 only. So no need to write here. Where c1 comma c2 comma c3 comma c4 are arbitrary constants. Okay, this is the final solution. Friends, this problem you can solve by using the calculator also. I will show you. You see, suppose they are given, you see, by using this calculator only because it is a polynomial of degree 4. Of course for 3 also you can do. Already one root we got. If it is if m is not came outside, then for the 4 I am explaining. You see, now go for menu. In this one go for equations. In this calculator, if you want to go for equations means you have to press A button. Now this is a fourth degree polynomial, so go for press 2. Polynomial of degree is 4. Now here you have to write x power 4 quotient, x cube quotient, x square quotient, x quotient and constant. Nothing but m power 4 quotient is 1, m square quotient is here you have minus 6, m cube quotient, m square quotient is here you have minus 12 or plus 12? Plus 12. Okay, plus 12. Next, m quotient is here you have minus 8 and constant here you have 0. So if you simplify this, then you will have x1 is equal to 2 and x2 is equal to 0. x1 is equal to 2 and x2 is equal to 0. So how many roots it is showing? 2 roots only showing. But actually how many roots you have to get for the 4th degree polynomial? We have to get 4. So what are the 4 means? First you write down the roots. Here the roots we have 2 comma 0. Friends, you see, if you multiply this, then you have to get a, b, c, d is equal to 8 you have to get. This 8 you have to get. So if you are taken 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 2, will you get 8? No. So this is wrong. Means 8 is nothing but here 8m we have to get. This is, you see, don't take the 0. Now 2, how many times if you written 8 you will get here? 2, how many times if you written 8 you will get actually? 3 times. 2 comma 2 comma 2. So this is the solution. What you can say? 2 comma 2 comma 2 are the roots and 0 is another root. By using the calculator you can get like this. Thank you for watching this video.